I'm director of the International Association of Women Judges. We have more than 4,000 members around the world. We try to do two things. We are trying to encourage that women become judges so that the judiciary is reflective of the full population. With the support of the trust fund, we have been able to gain that legitimacy and support through the judiciary, and that would be certainly the case in Zambia. The Chief Justice has been very supportive. In fact, we are very proud that the Deputy Chief Justice is a woman. The other thing that we do is look at issues of access to justice for women in general. What are the obstacles they face? For many, many women in Africa, it's a major, major challenge to get to a courthouse. In Zambia, this is what the Zambia Association and the International Association wanted to do, is look at why in Lusaka do you have literally hundreds of cases of violence reported to the police, and then you only had 4 actually formally go through the whole court process. What happens along the way? Why are those cases being dropped? Is it fear? Is it corruption? Is it needing to pay filing fees? Is it the process that gets dragged out and delayed that make it so that eventually they just give up? It's great to get the legislation, but then what? What happens beyond that? And so for me, what I enjoy about working with the judges and the women judges is to see the laws truly being implemented. Court decisions can truly lead the way.